Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to play with multiple accounts at the same time in Roblox. So basically this is a way of gaining a lot of coins or a lot of money within a tycoon, for example, or you just want to play with multiple accounts at the same time. For example, do a screen share on your own computer within Roblox with different accounts, so you and your friends can play together on PC or computer. So this only works for PC currently, so it does not work for macOS or mobile or iPhone or Android, etc. It currently only works for PC, but there is an upgrade or a new version coming soon, so it probably will be available for all of the other devices. So I'll show you how to do it for PC. So basically you need to tap on the link that is in the description, and this will let you to a GitHub site. So basically GitHub is a very safe site. It is a site where people can build and place their own programs with code, so it's open source, it's an open source code, and basically what that means is you can see all of the code that needs to build that was needed to build a program, and you can read it yourself, and it's completely safe. So basically what you need to do is you need to tap on this download button. So this will download the code, this will download the program, and then you just need to open it. After you've opened it, you can add you just need to say it's safe, because it's from the internet. It will always ask if it's safe. Yes, it is. Just continue, and then you can add accounts. So basically you need to log into your Roblox account, and then tap on add account, and then you again fill in your passwords, Gmail, etc. And then you need to fill in an ID. So that ID is basically the play ID, the ID of the game. For example, if you want to play Adopt Me, you just go to Adopt Me on the web, on Roblox web, and then you just copy this link right here. So this ID right here. So as you can see, roblox.com/game/the ID/adopt me. So copy this those numbers, and then just paste it into that ID, and you can play Adopt Me on that account. If you want to join different games, of course, copy that specific URL or that specific those numbers. So basically it's very easy, just like this. And I hope this video is helpful. If this was the case, please subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.